Hello, my cuzzies. It's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm off on a mission to see my whānau. Hoake tātou. Te tiro, my cuzzies. What's that? Check it out, my cuzzies. They're tuna. Wow, there's heaps of tuna. Kia ora. Whee! I wish I was a tuna. Hey, look, there's a manu as well. Whoa, there's a mama manu and some pepe manu. Oh, well, I've got to keep going. Come on, cuzzies. Te tiro, my cuzzies, it's a papa tākaro. Let's do it. Check it out, my cuzzies. It's a massive swing. Okay, back it up, back it up, back it up. Let's see how high I can swing. Check it out, cuzzies. It's my favourite. The massive slide. I'm gonna go up it. I've got to go through this tunnel. All right, climbing. Yes, I made it to the top. Now it's time to go down the slide. Hana motuhake. That was amazing. Whee! Wow. Oh, this tākaro time has me super hungry. E tino hia kai au. Hey, I've got an idea. Come here, my cuzzies. Come a bit closer, Ti tiro. It's my favourite lunch, fruit salad. I have strawberries, mandarins, pineapples and grapes. Could the steak get any better?
Nau mai ngā hua o papa tuānuku o Ranginui ki te kai. Whitiki ki ora, haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Reka.
Hey, check this out, cuzzies. Look at all these beautiful rākau. Kia ora, rākau. Kia ora, Buzz. Oh, my phone's ringing. Who is it? It's my dad. Kia ora, Dad. Yep, I'm on my way. Oh, nah, I got distracted because I met a tuna and then I saw some manu and I found this amazing playground and it had a huge ass slide.
What, you brought a donkey? I'm on my way.